no idea what it is. Another pike. Oh, and he spit the hook. Wow. Now today, given the higher water, I've been focusing on this particular area of the river. The reason for that is, if you look, you can see the current seam coming down, but then there's a turn where the bubbles start to make a circle out there. There's also this upwelling, this kind of shiny water that you see right alongside the current seam. You'll see this shiny water. That shiny water moves around a lot, but what that means is that the current is coming straight up, which means that any fish that are laying downstream from that upwelling, they don't have to fight the current as much. So in order to fish that area, I've been having to cast upstream of it almost right at the end of the boil. That allows my jig time to get down towards the bottom to where I can fish it effectively. If I cast right on top of that smooth water, I would actually be fishing downstream of it, which is not where I want to fish. Feels like another pike. Nice little pike. There we go. Nice little pike. And now I have to retie again. There's a fish. What have we here? I think this might be a walleye. Yeah. Actually, what I consider a keeper walleye. Yep. Ah. I do like high water. Boy, he ate that way down there. Not a huge one. 14-inch fish. Be good on the table. There's a little fish. Well, smallmouth. There. Bunch of combinations of things and got my jig back. Check the hook point. On just about every cast I make, I come up with some kind of vegetation on my jig. Now normally that would frustrate a lot of people. It doesn't bother me at all. And the reason it doesn't bother me is because I know that the vegetation is growing on the rocks on the bottom. If my jig is getting covered in moss and weeds and other vegetation, I know my offering is close to the bottom, which is where I want to be, because that's where the fish are. I got the whole salad bar that time. Another keeper walleye. Boy, did he want that one. Another nice 14-inch walleye. Well, I didn't have the camera running, but I managed to get another keeper walleye. Another nice 14-incher. I switched from the dark color of purple to white, and I got another fish. Like I said in the color segment, if the dark colors don't work, let the fish tell you what they want, and this one wanted white.